Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about React.js. So what is React? React is a JavaScript library for building user interface. It's not a framework, but it's just a library. It used to build a single page application. It does not focus on any or other aspect, but it's responsible only rich user interface. Is a tool for building UI components and allow us to create reusable UI components. Why do we learn React? Because it, it is created and maintained by Meta or formerly Facebook. As you know that Meta or Facebook is a very big company, is not bankrupt, so they have a lot of money to spend on maintain and okay and develop it more better, so we can rely it and it's not down immediately. And also, sorry, and the reason why we learn React because all the component we can reusable, okay, and it's flexible and efficiencies. It means that it's supported amongst all major browsers and also easy to manage and update the projects. And also you do not uh, spend much more time to learn React. So how do you start React? Before you start to learn React.js, you need to have the basics of web application. So you need to take a little bit course about basic of web development, okay? And you can find any document on the online, on the website, on the React website, or you can go to the YouTube uh, and other online source, okay? And the next is first add with React. In order to develop React, you need to install Node.js. So in my computer, I have already installed Node.js. Let me check it. So I just write npm v. So I have already installed Node. So if you want to download it, you can go to the Google and just type the Node.js, and you can go to here download. Okay, you can download for Windows and install it in your PC. And if you want to know how to install it, you can go to see in my previous videos in my channels. So the for development I use the VS Code, or we can say Visual Studio Codes. So I use this. Okay, it it easy and it's faster to develop any projects. Like in this case, I use it to develop the Laravel. Okay, so you can also download on the Google. You can type Google and just type VS or Visual Studio Codes, and you can click on downloading here, and you can download and install by yourself. Okay, so be ready for both things that I have told you, and then we start to develop React. So the next is create React with commands nph. Okay, we create the React app with command nph. This is the syntax: create React app and then React project name in here. So what is nph? Nph stands for Node Package Execute. It is simply an npm package runner. When you install the Node, it will come directly with npms and nph. It allows us to develop. It allows developers to execute any JavaScript package available on npm registry, okay, without even installing it. nph is installed automatically in npm's version 5.2 and above version. So the next is create first React app with, here is the project name. So know that if you start to create the React app first time, it will ask you to install the Create React apps at 5.0 here, and then you just type yes and enter it. You will start to install the uh, React app. So in the next video, I will show you how we can create the first React app. So thank you for watching.